Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Earth Healer Movement. I'm Erin, and I'm here today with one of my favorite snacks of the summer, and that is the brand Drizzilicious with these rice cake snacks. They're like mini rice cakes, and they have like melted chocolate. This one is white chocolate, and it has sprinkles on it. It's called birthday cake bites, so it has like frosting, like birthday cake frosting. And the thing about these is it's only 90 calories for the whole bag, and I can't really see the the nutrition facts. There you go. I have to get my glasses out for that, but let me do that. But the thing about this is it's made with chia seeds, quinoa, and flax. So it has that in it. I'll get my glasses on for the other stuff. So it has 3 grams of fat, 0 cholesterol, 16 grams of carbs, 1 gram of protein, and it has a little bit of iron and potassium. So it says that they're drizzled and they're delicious. Drizzilicious birthday cake bites are crunchy mini rice cakes reimagined. Each bite is packed with 100% plant-based wholesome goodness, is allergen-free, low in fat, sustainably sourced, and popped to perfection. Drizzilicious is the irresistible, better-for-you, crunchy, bite-sized snack that's made with rice, whole grain quinoa, chia, and flax. It's the ultimate combination of some of the most powerful plant-based superfoods on earth and a delectable premium white chocolatey drizzle. With just 90 calories per 21 pieces of Drizzilicious is a smart little snack the whole family can feel great about. Indulge guiltlessly. Okay, so that's what the bag says. And yeah, so I have a code down below, an Amazon link, so you can get your own. And there's different kinds. I just got both for my, oh my gosh. Okay, so there's another one that is the s'mores bites, and that has like a chocolate drizzle. And let's see what this one says. It's all the same stuff. Yeah, so it doesn't say anything about, oh, it says now even more marshmallow flavor. So I guess it has a marshmallow flavor and a chocolate drizzle. Okay, so I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's like a little rice cake, but it has like sprinkles on it and like white chocolate. And that's how many is in the bag. And they're super good. And then I'll show you what the chocolate one looks like. These are the chocolate ones. Super good. Some have more chocolate on it than others. And then a lot of time at the end of the bag, at the bottom of the bag, oh, this is how many is in there, like a whole bunch. like a lot for like, it said like 23 pieces or something. And it is 0.74 ounces. But the thing is, with chia seeds and stuff, they make you feel full. I don't know. I like both of them. I was gonna say, like, I don't know which one I like better. But sometimes I feel like something like birthday cake, and then other times I feel like chocolate. Right now I feel like having birthday cake. So just make sure the expiration date is still good. And if you find these at the grocery store, they're at the checkout stand. And they're like $1. I just bought these at Safeway, and they're 99 cents each. And I have the receipt. I'll talk to you guys again next time. These are my favorite snacks right now. Go down below, click the link, my Amazon link below, and you'll go straight to the website to buy them. Bye guys.